In this video, I will show you how to add a home address to your Bolt app. So stick until the end and then you will know how you need to do this. So the first thing is that you need to open your app and then you need to go over to the account tab at the bottom right. And from here, you need to scroll down a little bit and then go ahead and click on Add Home Address under Save Places. And once you do this, you can easily go to this home address every time whenever you're booking a ride. So then you can just type in home in destination and then you will automatically get this address. So you don't have to fill it in again then. So how do you add this? Well, you need to click on Add Home Address and then just search for your location. So let's say you want the Dam in Amsterdam, then you're going to type this in and then select your address. Of course, I'm using this right now, but you can of course use your own address. And you can also click on the map emoji at the right side to just set it by default with a pin. But I'm just going with Dam and then I'm going to set this pin to the right side of the road where I want to be picked up. And as you can see, this is a district where you cannot use cars. So then we need to go a little bit outside to an appropriate location. And then let's say I want to get picked up on the right side, or actually the left side in this case of the road, then I'm going to set it like this because that will make it easier for drivers to know where you want to be picked up. So I'm going to click on confirm location in here. And I can also, if you want, and you can also do that, enable always pick me up here when I'm at this location. So you can also do that. But now I'm going to click on confirm location and right now it is set. So every time I'm typing in home as a destination, it will automatically go to this address. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing and then I'll see you in the next one.